In this video, I'm gonna go up against 2 intermediate PPF installers. No! They're so far ahead.
You had to reset? Oh man.
They're gonna team up, they're gonna attack that side of the car. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this side of the car, and we'll see whose job turns out better at the very end. Welcome to the Optical channel. We're wrapping the front end of this GT-R. Stick around and you might just learn something. So here's what I'm thinking. Since there's 2 of them, I'm gonna just go head to head versus 1. Or I do both of them on one side of the hood, I do the other one. We'll ask them, let's see what they say. Okay, so for the hood, since it's head to head, do you guys wanna do one side together and I do the other one? Or do you guys wanna draw straws and I go up against one of you?
I think it's just one person.
One person.
Yeah. Rock,
Rock, paper, scissors. Sucks for you. He ain't even worried about it. Look, he ain't even worried. My prediction is these guys are gonna do really, really well. They're gonna give me a little run for my money, but I think with my experience and my skills, I'm gonna just come out on top, just like barely at the end. But I mean, they're gonna be on my tail the whole time. So we'll see.
I think he's gonna do pretty well. I mean, he seems like he knows what he's doing, so hopefully it turns out good.
Thomas, yeah, Thomas ain't phased. He over there on making coffee on his 3rd cup, like, he good. He got this.
he trained me, so I hope I do good. I hope for his sake I do good.
That boy on 4 coffees already. It's not even like 10 a.m. So he may beat me in this round, but
Oh yeah.
he's gonna go so fast and make mistakes. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go, we'll reverse roll it together.
Okay.
And then we'll do our 4 corner stretch together.
Okay.
And then as soon as we're ready, then boom, we're gonna go into squeegee mode. And then I think for fun, we'll squeegee it all out and we have to cut out that hole at least.
Okay.
Okay? And then we'll cut out the rest of it later. But like, that part's easy. So we'll do that. Cool?
Cool.
All right, so how much film you got on your side?
Like 6 inches maybe?
All right, give me like 2.
Okay.
All right, give us a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
So that's the easy part. Because now we gotta cut this out.
Yeah. Steady hand right there.
His hand's gonna be shaking. His hand's shaking. Ooh, boy.
I need more coffee.
So let me take a break. Thomas, how you doing over there?
Shaking.
You should. Okay, I'm done. So now we gotta cheer him on. Thomas, 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 Thomas. Because I still want him to do good. Because he's one of my students, so I need him to do good. But I mean, this is honestly the difference. Like someone that's just in the game for a year versus someone that's been in the game for a decade. Done?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll wipe it off, and then, I mean, I guess I'm the judge. And I'm biased, so I'm gonna win for sure. Actually, we'll have you judge it. We'll check it, we'll see how much water was left behind, and then we will judge the cuts, time, and that's it. And then we're done. All right, so give us a little judge.
Yeah, water time, cutting. I mean, right away, I mean, you got him on time. Cuts, you cut off a little bit more here, which helped it tuck better, where this probably could have been tucked or cut a little bit closer so that it would lay. Just looks a little bit nicer and cleaner here. This, you cut out this headlight to relieve tension so that this can sit nicely. Then I saw this, he was having a little bit of trouble with moisture right here, just because the this wasn't cut out. It's still connected to the bumper and the fender. I don't know, I'd say for somebody for doing it for a year versus 10 years, it's not bad at all. It's pretty damn good to me. No fingers on this edge at all. Everything's fully.
But most importantly, who won?
I'd say that's Eman.
Okay. But we both did really well. So that's all that matters. I mean, this right here, you sell this all day, right? If you were doing, if you gave this to a customer, you sell that all day.
Yeah.
When you made that cut, that's something that I used to do a lot too. And now I've learned to cut a lot closer or like right in that valley so that I could just lay it on one shot. Because your side's down, but you're gonna have to go back and you have to trim it. So now you gotta put a knife to it. And you're also cutting 2 times now versus I cut once.
Yep.
So that's how I got a little bit faster than you on that side, right?
Yep.
In video, you can see that I do 1 pass versus maybe your 2 passes.
Yeah.
And it's just the confidence that I have with my squeegee. So like you moving forward, now I would challenge you, hey, just do 1 pass, dude. 1 pass, make sure it counts. And then you're trimming, this gives you an idea of like, hey, just cut once, don't cut twice. Sweet?
Yep.
Easy enough. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut out the rest of the hood so we can finish it. It's right around lunchtime, so then it'll give us, we'll cut it out and then we'll go to lunch, we'll come back, and then we'll start our next competition. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, grab your piece of
My
film.
film.
You grab your film, I'm gonna grab my film. Maybe I should start and like run from down the street, and then I have to run all the way over here. That's what I should do. Give them like a 5-minute head start. No, they'll smoke me. 5 minutes?
Do a minute.
A minute? All right. Let's do a countdown. Hold on, cheaters. Hold on.
I'm getting ready. All right, we're not doing it yet. We're just waiting. We're getting the thought put down.
You guys cheating? We need a countdown.
Oh my god. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, go.
All right. Hold up. So at 35, I can go. Okay. We're gonna give them a little head start. Maybe like 1 minute. 1 minute max. This is a long ass minute. Come on.
This is not going up so far.
Uh-oh. You guys panicking over there? Come on now. Let's go. I had to wait 1 minute. Nope, we're gone. I do this shit in my sleep. They're probably far ahead, so this is probably a terrible time, but this video is sponsored by Car Supplies Warehouse. If you're looking for any products for detailing, please check down the link below. We have over 10,000 products in our store and on our online retail store. So if you're looking for products to polish your car or clean it, or if you're looking for window tint tools, or if you're looking for PBF, check the description. We'll link it down below, but Car Supplies Warehouse is where you should be getting all your detailing and PPF things. All right, back to what we're doing.
Pretty good so far, I think. We're just trying to stretch it right now. All right, we're ready to pull it that way.
The other thing to keep in mind is when we're pulling it, we're making tension, and you're gonna have a line right here, right? So you wanna go with like body lines. So like follow this body line. When I say follow the body line too, I mean like on the physical body line, because the body line too is where everything starts to become an issue.
No. Oh, I f***ed up. Oops. So I went to go trim this and I cut it too short. Look at that. No. All right. So I gotta lift it back up. Oh no, I'm gonna leave a terrible line right here. Oh no. Oh no. I'm panicking. Oh no, they can't even stretch it. Oh no, okay. I gotta reset everything. How are you guys doing over there? You guys mess up yet or no?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Just a tiny bit, nothing crazy.
Okay, I'm still good. I'm still good.
You had to reset? Oh man.
No! They're so far ahead. So it's, as long as it's on, that's all that matters, right?
I mean, ours is pretty much on.
It is?
Well,
What do you mean by on?
Just like, it just has to be on.
Yeah,
You guys are done?
basically.
Did I lose? Dunzo? You just got that little piece? Oh, but you guys trimmed all yours out. I didn't even trim mine. Okay, well. I think we're gonna give this one to them. I'm a failure. I think you guys get the dub for this one.
fire.
All right then.
Fire.
Okay.
I'll take it.
Tiebreaker tomorrow?
Let's do it.
Sweet. Front bumper, I think we have to finish it all the way out. So we're gonna have to trim it, we're gonna have to stretch it, we're gonna have to lay it. We have to make it a little bit interesting, a little bit tricky, right? Because we do need to test your guys' skills and my skills. So we're gonna test everything. You guys get that side, I get this side, and then we'll grade everything at the end, right? And that'll determine who is the champion. What's your game plan, you know? Like, how are you guys gonna attack this front bumper?
We're thinking just tacking it, well, stretching it, getting a tack here, getting this part secured and tacked down, and then once this is tacked and we have an anchor here, just continuing to stretch, make a relief cut here, so that can fold down properly, and we'll just kind of see what the film wants to do from there.
So we tack the middle?
Yeah.
We'll tack the middle and then we'll split off of that.
Yeah, just push the fingers my way. That's cool.
Hey, you should have set it up. All right. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. How's it going over there?
It's going great. We're almost done.
Are you really? I don't believe you guys.
Push this down. Perfect.
You know what I should have done? I should have went and got like a little grill and I started grilling my burgers right here while you guys are working. I'm just out here hanging out. Start making a coffee. That's what I should have done. All right, so this is where experience comes into play. Check out this stretch right here. Ready for this? Bam. That's it. Baby stretch. So this is what I noticed with new guys that are coming in the game. They believe they have to stretch the crap out of the film. But like, if you see me over here, I'm just like, just very light stretch. This will start to fall into place. I'm not really stretching a lot, but honestly, I think they're overstretching it. That would be my guess.
We're doing just fine. Almost done. Say we got about 30 more seconds left.
The start was pretty good, but that was the easy part. Now we're kind of on a little bit more difficult part because this is where it's really important to stretch.
They're gonna have to work together versus me. I'm just working by myself. But if two great minds collide, like that could be out of this world. So I mean, they could probably smoke me. So we'll have to stay tuned and find out.
It's a little different when you have like two different people that have different ways of, I guess, installing. And then now you're But yeah, once you figure out and you guys both understand the plan, it's easy.
This is an issue. See how you're pushing this? The air has nowhere to escape.
Yeah, we gotta pop that up.
Where are these boys at? Dude, I'm over here I'm straight chilling. I got my warm bottle right here. This section is the hardest part for sure. Just like I explained in the beginning, if you don't stretch this out correctly, you're gonna run into a lot of fingers here. There's gonna be a lot of tension and you won't be able to get your film to lay down in there nicely. So phase 1 is done. Stretched it out, laid it all out real nice. Now we can move into trimming it. And like, this is where it gets tricky because if you mess up a cut, ooh, you gotta start over. Oh no! No, I'm just kidding. I didn't mess up this time. This cut is perfect.
All right, let's make some cuts.
So we just finished the front bumper. We both did really, really well, right? I don't want to be biased, so we're gonna introduce 2 judges right here. So they're gonna judge our work. They don't know who did what side. Remember, what we're looking for is clean cuts, distortion, moisture bubbles, and then an overall just a clean install. That's what we're looking for. So let's let them inspect the work and then we'll let them do their thing.
It doesn't look like there's any film on it. I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
That side, it's really clean.
I agree with Jason that this side looks better. I was noticing a little bit of air bubble still on that side, but those should work out.
I think I took the W on that one too.
Yeah.
But it's all good. Bumper turned out really fucking good. Like, it just looks sick. I would take both of these any day. Like, if this was my car, I'd be happy with either one. I think it looks sick. So, yeah, you guys killed it. Sweet. High five. High five.
Sweet.
High five. High five.
Yeah, a few things.
What are the things?
Yeah, a couple things. I thought it was awesome. I mean, going up against the person that taught me how to do film in the first place, definitely a challenge, but I like that I get the opportunity to do that and just become a better installer. That was pretty sweet.
Yeah, you should take the class. You get it for free if you buy film, so you might as well.
It's a no-brainer.
Yeah, exactly. This guy's good, I guess.
This guy's alright.
You taught me a lot.
The coffee's really good here.
The coffee's good here, yeah. And it's free
Coffee
too.
is good.
If you're gonna buy film and get in the film industry anyway, you'd get a class, do hands-on with Eman at Car Supplies Warehouse, because I mean, it's definitely worth it, because I mean, in the beginning, you're probably gonna lose a lot of money anyway, so if as a beginner, so go in, learn, get good, so you can start making real money.
That's the end of the video. Both of these guys are freaking killers. They really gave me a run for my money. Bumper looks badass. So here's the thing. I am gonna challenge whoever wants to come compete against us. So if anybody around the country wants to come to Chicago and go heads up against me with a full front clip, bring it, We'll put some money on the line. Whoever wants it can get it. Usually people want to smoke, but they don't want to smoke it. So it is what it is. But yeah, challenge to anybody. You could be a 2-man team. You could be a solo team. Bring 3 people. It doesn't matter. We'll make it happen.